avoid navigating in hazardous conditions. For the following health recommendations, goes to City, Louisiana, about 20 nautical miles. In waters from lower Atchafalaya River to into coastal City, Louisiana, extending from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Small craft advisory remains in effect until 7 a.m. Central Standard Time Sunday. What? North winds 15 to 25 knots with gusts of 25 knots and seas 4 to 6 feet expected. Where? Coastal waters from lower Atchafalaya River to into coastal City, about 20 nautical miles of coastal water from lower Atchafalaya River to into coastal City, Louisiana, from 20 to 60 nautical miles. When? Standard times inexperienced mariners, especially those operating smaller vessels, should avoid navigating in hazardous